An AI-generated South Park episode just got 800 million views. That's why Amazon invested in this new AI platform, launching their Netflix of AI. It lets you type in a few words, create an entire show, even star in them. Is this the death of Hollywood or the future of entertainment? We're testing the AI tool to see what's possible. We're going to show you how to get started and if it lives up to the hype. First, we need to know what platform we're going to be using and what it's capable of. As we're looking at this article, we're seeing that it is from Fable, and we can go to this website right here and get started and join. Now, this allows you to bring your stories to life in just a few minutes when you're prompting it. So if you're used to using something like Midjourney where you're prompting to create a video or picture, we're going to be doing the same thing with this platform. Here we can see a catalog of some of the shows that they have planned, and we'll have a couple links down below so you can see the trailer of all of the access that you can get with this platform. Now, what's really special about this is before it's been in beta for a long time, so you weren't able to get started with it, but now if you follow the links down below, you can get started right now. So we can go to showrunner.xyz, and here it says watch and make episodes on Discord. So you're going to click on this, and just keep in mind, if you do not have a Discord account, you're going to need to make one, so that way you can go onto their Discord server, and they are requiring you to have authentication. So if you have an authenticator app, you're going to need that when you sign in as well, just to let you know. Once you go in there, you're going to be invited to the Showrunner Discord right here. And then you're going to be able to be taken to newbies and the welcome section right here. Here, you're going to be prompted to make your first scene. Once you make your first scene, you're going to then get a really a comical video of Elon and Donald Trump talking, and it prompts you and walks you through what you're going to need to do when you're using this platform. It's just telling you all the different things that you could edit and change with this platform. Now, after you watch the video, you're then going to be prompted to change that video. So you're going to be actually seeing how it edits that video. So that is the first one. And here I just prompted it to talk about F1 and also making a crossover a movie with, I think I had it with Top Gun. And you can see right here that now we're seeing Donald Trump and Elon Musk talking about Top Gun and how that's going to be a great crossover movie, and it's going to be called Hypervelocity and all these things. So it made all of that just based off of the prompt that I did. Now, once you go through that, you're going to be able to go into the section where you have getting started. It's going to have you first create your first scene. And again, if you're not familiar with Discord, let's just make sure we look at the basics right here. On the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see the different channels that you can go into. To get started, you'll go to the Get Started section, the Newbies Welcome, but this is where you're going to be able to start generating your first scenes. If you click under Text Satire, Create One, this is where you're going to be prompted to create your first scene. So then you're going to message, so you're going to be sending a message. So I'm going to say scene here. And as we click a scene here, now we're going to be able to pick from a variety of different people, like Kim Kardashian, we see Tom Cruise, Peter Thiel, Tom Cook, all these different ones. Then you can pick the action that you want them to do, if there's going to be another character involved, the set, and then you're going to be able to do the dialogue prompt. That's the basics. You're also going to be able to do 12 other things as well, but I would say start there, and you're going to be able to come up with your own scene. For example, I have a scene right here where I just had Kim Kardashian talking to her imaginary self, which is Kim Kardashian, about taking over the world basically with her new marketing scheme. And so right here, I just prompted it. We're in a world right here which is Exit Valley. And now we have a full scene developed right here. And this is really the beginning steps. Now, you might be saying for a second, I thought this was going to be so many different styles of animation and things you can do. Well, as you're coming into this different world, you can add on and you can actually create different characters right now and actually add into different shows. You cannot create your own automatically right now, but you can create different characters, run your own scenes, create all of these things, and then be able to export them, use them on your channel if you're doing it on social media and others. So, right here, if we're looking at what's possible right now, you can start experimenting. You can try out all of these new tools, and you can start right now for free. It's mentioned that they're going to be charging in the future. I haven't seen that yet, but they're saying charging creators $10 to $20 per month based on the credits. That makes sense. I just haven't hit that threshold where I'm getting that message yet. But I would say first start learning the basics, because a lot of these platforms, they copy each other. Once one thing makes sense or it's it's just a great experience, another platform will try to copy it, emulate it, and downright sometimes just bootleg the idea and then go from there. So using these kind of skills, getting used to this workflow will also help you if you use this platform long term, or if you're going to be seeing another platform like this pop up in the future. In the comment section down below, let me know what you're thinking. Have you seen this platform before? Have you tried it out yet? What have you created? Also, too, if people want to see the full thing, I'll put videos up of the things that we've crafted already. I'll make it either a short or a full video. But I would first just experiment, get in there, and then try it out. If you want more details or see how Showrunner progresses throughout time, all the new features, because this just was launched for general access yesterday. If you want us to do more videos about this and really start pushing the capacity, or talking about how you can use this for your own business, or for, just for fun, or creating your next endeavor in movies or in entertainment, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week.